Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Mobile Information. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Like and comment on a video. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. If you have any problem about a mobile tech, so please open a YouTube in your mobile or laptop and search a mobile information channel and comment on your mobile tech issue. I will get the solution of the problem. Thank you for watching my video and visiting my channel. Let's start a video. In today's video, we are discuss a mobile phone option in which through which we block a mobile phone signals and know any type of internet, any type of mobile phone data, any type of call, SMS, etc. not coming to my phone and nor outgoing from my phone. So for this, first of all, open your mobile phone display and going to search. In search we write it flight mode. Simply we scroll down the mobile phone display and click on airplane mode. So all type of mobile phone signals and networks are disappear from my mobile phone. No any type of message is coming to my mobile phone. So we use these options in our daily life where we have to stop or blocking a mobile phone signal. So we click on it, easily our mobile phone signal is blocked. And how we remove it? So click again on it, simply it remove and the mobile phone signal is started again, and calls, internet and messages are started in our mobile phone. So now I click on it. So now the signal of my mobile phone is coming, and now if a person send me a message or call, so I receive it easily in my mobile phone. So this is my today video. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Like and comment on my YouTube channel. If you have any problem in a mobile phone tech, so comment on my YouTube channel. I will get the solution of the problem. Thank you very much.